Dave Dana, and welcome to my vlog, Treasure Hunt. We are on the Pole Bridge catch, and it is in a cemetery. If you don't like cemeteries, this probably isn't going to be a game for you. But this is in a old cemetery back in Pole Bridge area. And this is a picture of where the next one is. This is number 4 for Patricia and I. And she's interested in the stones. There's pictures of gravestones. William Peterson, 1848 to 1880. A lot of Pearsons. 1831 to 1888. 1805 to 1894. 1805 to 1889. 1777, April 5 to February 1865. Wow. He lived 87 years, 88 years. Wow. 65 years. Getting 1880s. Man. Really interesting. These are facing the other way. June 1880. 1920. And they're facing that way. It's weird. And these are facing the opposite way. The Johnson family. Well, we'll let them. Oh, there's one that passed. 5 months old. Oh. I don't know whether this was in video mode or not, but this is Pole Bridge catch. It took us about 45 minutes to find that one. That was really good. It had us going all over the place. So if you are watching this, it's on the hedge, I'll tell you that. And it's in about, it's about 13 feet from where your compass is going to tell you it's at. So again, it's along the hedge, and you'll have to look really good. And do not go back beyond the hedge, back in the back there, because there's bottles and old junk back there, and it's possible to get hurt. So be careful. And here's a view of the cemetery. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and definitely share. We'll catch you on the next Treasure Hunt.